Welcome back to the channel. Troubleshooting main engine high exhaust gas temperatures. The exhaust gas temperature is the engine's primary indicator of combustion health and thermal load. An elevated temperature, particularly in one or more cylinders, signals a significant problem that, if ignored, can lead to severe engine damage, including piston crown burning, exhaust valve failure, and turbocharger overheating. Quick and accurate diagnosis is essential for safe operation. When the overall average exhaust gas temperature is high across all cylinders, the problem usually lies with a global issue affecting the entire engine. The first check should be the turbocharger. Fouling on the compressor side reduces the amount of air available for combustion, leading to an air deficiency and thus higher combustion and exhaust temperatures. Similarly, fouling on the turbine side restricts the exhaust flow. Another common culprit is high scavenge air temperature, often caused by a problem with the intercooler or scavenge air cooler, such as fouling or reduced cooling water flow. If the air entering the cylinders is too hot, the final combustion temperature will rise. Finally, engine overload, perhaps due to heavy weather or a fouled propeller, will also cause a systemic temperature increase. If the high temperature is localized to a single cylinder, the focus shifts to that specific unit. The primary cause of localized high temperature is often poor combustion. This can stem from a defective fuel injection system. Clogged or worn fuel nozzle may cause poor atomization, leading to slow and incomplete burning of the fuel. Similarly, a fault in the fuel pump, such as a stuck delivery valve, can alter the correct amount of fuel injected. The most serious common cause is an issue with the exhaust valve. A leaky or burnt exhaust valve allows hot combustion gases to escape prematurely, raising the temperature in the exhaust port and damaging the valve and seat. Another localized issue is incorrect cylinder timing. If the fuel is injected too late or retarded timing, the combustion occurs well into the expansion stroke, leading to a prolonged burning process and a high exhaust temperature, even if the peak pressure remains normal. To troubleshoot, we begin by comparing the temperature readings between cylinders. High-temperature cylinders should have their fuel injection timer and exhaust valve movement checked. If timing is correct, the fuel pump and injector nozzle should be inspected and tested. If the exhaust valve is leaking, the temperature can often be confirmed by checking the valve spindle gland drain. Ultimately, systematically isolating the source, be it air, fuel, or a mechanical issue, is the key to restoring the engine to a safe and efficient operating state. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.